Give them where them want you fi give them reggae music. Whoa lad, play it all night for them, don't abuse it. No, no, no. Spring Water represent for Silver Bullet sound. I'm say Baza, DJ Taz, Lato and Ninja. That's yo, Silver Bullet.
Yeah, so I said watch out for that sound boy. Yeah, DJ Taze kill that sound boy. Yeah, Betty cuff your girl. DJ Taze getting all the girls. Hey, hey, so I'm saying my nigga popular. Yeah, my nigga says popular. Hey, you other DJs ain't popular. Hey, y'all niggas ain't getting no money, bruh. Stop frontin'.
That's what we're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. So we're saying happy birthday, Esther. We're here to turn up tonight. You see I have your cake here. We're ready to go. Let's go.
And I'm ready to take home a little dotty, you know what I mean?
Yo, happy birthday, Esther. 2016, we rocking this out tonight, baby.
I ain't been here that long, but I see all y'all have fun. Happy birthday, Esther. Let's to a demons to another. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. No, I'm not drunk. I'm actually not yet. Not yet.
Not yet, but we will be.
No,
happy
we ain't
birthday, Esther.
drunk yet, but when we get that bottle in our hand, we about to turn up and
you know we pregame before we got here, though. Keep this classy. Happy birthday, Esther. We would definitely like to wish you many more years on this earth.
Happy 24.
Keep it 24 all day, every day. 21, sweet 16. You already know. You ain't.
No, it's not a good look. I can't, no, to replay the damage done. I don't like to replay the damage done.
This goes out to Esther. I want to wish you a nice, great, happy birthday. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you have a great time. This is just right. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. We finna turn up, get lit. All the sexy ladies, we finna get it on and poppin'. Is the man. Don, the man.
What's up, yo? It's Don Gillis, loving it. Esther, happy 24th birthday. You know it's real. I hope you have fun. This is a great event. I only met y'all a couple weeks ago. I've been having fun. Y'all couldn't have trouble. Y'all can't do a wish. I love you. Hope you have the best more years. Shouts out to Kerry. Thanks for inviting me. But, you know, my crazy man, King Man right here. I respect. I thought you was going to say it.
When I left in the road, you remember me say, yo, thing turn up. Hey, Esther. Then me say, yo, Kerry, where him there? See him. But guess what? Him sold in there. Because guess what? Out and bad, miserable, cross hungry. Always. If you know, say, Esther, big up yourself. Here night, tonight. Make sure, because the whole comes in there.
Yes.
Ready for run the road, you see? Yeah, man, all the while. Long time. Big up yourself, Esther.
Check 1, 2. Once again, big up everybody inside the building right now. I'm gonna say Esther birthday bashment, right? Check 1, 2. Come on.
Every time I think of saying goodbye, everything that's happened says goodbye. So my friend, and no one can.
Everything good, man. Stop selecting say enough music for prayer, right? So everything tonight.
Birthday Esther, boss lady, big up every time. You still have a dinner for this. Send him a bill tomorrow. Check, talk to you. Alright.
Happy birthday, Esther. Leave it up.
Birthday, Esther. Big up. Big up. Bless.
I'm getting outside in the dress B.I.G.
You know I never do anything you know. 'Cause baby I love you.
Wanna say happy birthday and stuff for real, pick up yourself. It's a party, let's go. Some shows now you start the front. So here when moments are playing, when I play, big respect to all the ladies right now, cause you don't know, so it's all about a mixed mood attitude.
Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much.
Yes, sir.
That's love that's right. And I think
I'll be strong and stable.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you.
Again.
The way that I stay away, there's nothing else to compare. Your side of me is weak. Yeah, I know words that too sweet. So if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you.
Ladies, come on, let's go. Right now, big sunshine. Happy and shine star. Big up yourself. Hey. Yes, I'm not. Hey, let's go. Okay. Right now, big sunshine. Happy and shine star. Big up yourself. Hey. Yes, I'm not. Hey, let's go. Okay.
Me say, oh, they my grand so. I mean, I say the big bad can crosses. I mean, I say happy earth strong. For me, Esther, you don't know what they think of. Kick up the clowns, so me stepping at the chart and be a girl. Say me, I say them one man, so my ask if me America one love. Oh.
Pick up the girl, I'm not sure girl can't this, you're not here, right? Right. Sexy girl over here. Don't go now, what? Lord. Hey. There we are, son. Go.
the baseline, watch the girl, them a hey. When we got it, them a dip it and
some fire.
put him on. If you not happy,
Tell them to say, red label wine, you a turn on the scale. Come on, sit on my head like green. When we talking the lady, you say please don't let me, I beg you, baby, do not let me go. No, I'm just going to say, is it too late to say sorry? Is it too late, baby? Is it more than just your body? More than just your body? Is it too late to say sorry? before we enter right now, rock me shot that goes back to Juicy right now with the crew. Gino, what up, everything?
Them have to food them. Yo, Claude, where you going with all the bad man talk? Lick shot, man. Where you talk all the bad man talk for?
No, it's this nice. Another life hitting me now.
Doing my thing. You already know what it is, man. It's the party. Representing Monster King. Everybody.
It's only the purpose for the medicine. Lord, me a smoke, I'm stepping on the premises. The premises, I put up no fucking fire. Me still a performer. Me still a performer. The smoke, the weed, it's not a crack. You work on Mexican and friend with your guys. Give me an 18 and a sour. I'm a smoke every minute, baby. Oh. Rolling sweet, smoking sour, Lord of the minute that we are. You want me to reminisce, wine thing, I reminisce. Smoking the bird, push pineapple and medicine. Look me as well for me, living on the river. Don't put that no smoking sour, but you still love my woman. You still love my woman. Smoke the weed is not. Yeah, wait a minute. Come here.
Individual in the building tonight. I'm very strong in stuff. Happy birthday.
Yeah. Say I didn't want that kind of party. I didn't want that kind of party. You started this, you better stop this. Me no want that kind of party. We have to enjoy myself. We have to drink me shopping and take. We have to want me back. We never say we want the party. We never say we want the party. We never say we want the party. Tell me what you want here. Tell me if you want this party. We never said we want the party. But once I insist, you want to sing. But me say no, baby. We never said we want the party. We never said we want the party. We never. You always starting to shit in here.
my love. I can see that you want in my love. Esther, needing my love. Need you, my love. I can see that you want in my love.
Anything me talking about. You see that boy, he's no good. Everything is a take the mind. When I see you wanna just take the mind, I say, we never want the party. We never want the party. We never want the party. We wanna win the party.
My love, I'm gonna make you my love. I can see that you want in my love. Still in my love. Give you my love.
No, you ain't working tonight. I'm working tonight. It's my
Big things that one feel baby. She must make her you find man already. Yes, she say you dance with man and rock steady. Must tell man this all man every me all be ready. Esther, your happy birthday. Hold on, stop it. Stop it. It's not about the eye. Yeah, Miss Esther, big up yourself, you know, big up your status. Shit. Everybody there now with a girl with them cuddle with. Go on, big up yourself. Why am I going to take pictures so I can't pose with them? Yeah, because them like take picture. Yo, just drop the rhythm and just do it. Let's see what you do. See what we are talking. See what I am. Say boy in the bar. I know that you can't put someone like the rock. You see that you can't have the money and come on. When we right to stop the rest of people we are attacking. See what I do. Say boy in the bar. I know that you can't put someone like the rock. When you see that you can't have the money and come on. And then put some person in the church and talk the right of us and tell them to use their bottom leg. Like they take them to make a little
people one love, you know. But they are with us in touch with different people. And we say everything nice and some of them are country, you know. I want to know. I want love. Man, it's really like that right now. So, everything nice, everything nice. Everything nice, everything nice. Everything nice, everything nice. And they see now they come from the party. So, watch that girl on the bike, yeah. She a wine, she under vodka. That's so nice, but I am so nicer. That's so nice, but I am so nicer. Pass me the lighter. I hear it. Yo, I'm missing this a nice. Gonna this a nice. I'm missing this a nice. But I am so nicer. Hey, perfect. Don't tell me who please stop. Don't AK shotgun. Get my drop down. Back on. No, them a got no like you see. One, the bone must stop run. Kiko. The best, yeah, hey, and so we tell them, I don't tell them, and so we tell them, hey, 90s, 40s, 50s. south of the hopeless lockdown. AK shotgun make boy drop down. Knock down. No them a got no like you see food. The boy must stop run. Oh fast so them heart rate drop down like a old car. Them get struck down like a Taliban might head rock down. Rock rock. The O's be locked down. They say I'm so insane. Make boy blood run down the drain. Gun so big he make me strain. Tear out dead back, tear out brain. They be sweep on the main. No them dead back on the lane. Purple guns and we don't play. Straight the business we don't stray. Kadar, tell them something. Hey, Joe, once more again, I'll tell them how we used to flawless all this back to one of them flawless. I mean, so you go. Gunshot to them, go. One more. Another one. This one. Two. In my church, the church of Yalamini, and them crown the king. Baptize them and repent them from them sins. In my church, the church of Yalamini, and them crown the king.
Manners and respect to everybody we're in here, from the juvenile to the senior. It's I, the real sheriff. Block up, nobody move. Hear me, I'm telling us a present. Don't worry yourself. As happy birthday, Esther, African voice.
Oh, yeah.
Me get gonna Hong Kong, bring to London, go see England, Echo, New Zealand, and especially Japan, Pakistan.
Oh, yeah.
When you get this man from Japan, all you get is block up. Not to mention Boston, they made explode like a gas van. Monday, them can't this with no day. I mean, I say big up all of the sexy woman them were there. The girl them say them love me straight eyes and me treat me nose. Turn on it. Taz, me don't know what you're depend, but listen what me depend. Esther birth night bash when? July the 2nd. Invite one, I mean invite all. In a Brooklyn, you wanna excite all. Big up everybody who in here, from the juvenile to the senior. Yo French, it's I, the real sheriff. Bad man organizer fi gun, designer fi gun. More time we want for me, so go watch China fi gun, supervisor fi gun, advertiser fi gun. What year me send a North Carolina? Hold on, police tapping nice now man. The people them pay their money coming here. What talk so? No man, me tell you, sit down for yourself. Listen, police want to know how when me get so much gun. Soldier man ask me, how we learn to bust gun? What year me kick back and me they try remember my first gun? A gas one, a brakes one. No, a clutch gun. Pussy does attack. They never touch gun. Me get miserable when you have to know Yosh gun. Blocker. Don't make me shoot up the place. I mean, you're the star. I'm a response for the war. Turn up my rhythm.
Yeah, but you know, say, we have to pull up that song there one more time. You don't know it's all about what?
Esther.
Yes, Esther Molly.